Hello Techies, welcome back. You are here to find out the answer to the question that I asked. Okay then, let's move on. So what is the question again? Here is the question. What is the best to use in a multi-threaded context, string builder or string buffer? Here is the answer to that question. Listen to the question and listen to the answer carefully. In a multi-threaded context, it is best to use StringBuffer rather than StringBuilder. The reason for this is that StringBuffer is synchronized, which means that it is designed to be used in multi-threaded environments where multiple threads may be accessing and modifying the same StringBuffer instance simultaneously. On the other hand, StringBuilder is not synchronized, which means that it is not thread safe. While it can be faster than StringBuffer in a single thread context, it is not safe to use in a multi-threaded environments because it is possible for two or more threads to access and modify the same StringBuilder instance simultaneously, which can result in unexpected behavior and data corruption. So if you are working in a multi-threaded environment and need to modify a string concurrently, it is recommended to use string buffer. However, if you are working in a single threaded context or don't require thread safety, string builder can be used as it is more efficient due to not having to incur the overhead of synchronization.